So in my Windows computer taskbar, if you are in Windows 10, you can see this is the volume icon, and suppose if you want to remove this volume icon from taskbar, I am showing now in Windows 10 computer. So if you want to remove this volume icon from this taskbar of your computer, you must first open the settings. You can easily take the settings by pressing the shortcut key Windows logo key and I key. So if you press these two keys at the same time, then the settings sections have been arrived, and from there you must go to the option personalization. You must click the personalization, and if you choose the personalization, in the side there you can see the taskbar option. You must click the taskbar from here, and here you can see in this notification area, here you can see select which icons appear on the taskbar. You must click here, and from there you can see that the volume, this button is on, and if you want to remove this from this position here in the taskbar, you must simply turn this off. Turn it off now, and then you can see that the volume have been removed from the taskbar here. For more videos, subscribe. Thank you.